Hello, dear friends. Nice to meet you. My name is Susan Huang. Here I would like to introduce my company to you. Zhongshan Breezelux Lighting Corporation was established in 2005, located in Guzheng Lighting City Town, Zhongshan, Guangdong, China. Our factory advantage is following. First, we have 12 people export sales team and our export showroom around 400 square meters. We specialize in manufacturing decorate LED fan, include invisible fan and non-invisible fan. We have already done business and had good experience with Canada, Mexico, Spain, Middle East, and Southeast Asia countries, and also Indian market. Second, we have our own R&D department. We have more than 100 collections. Each year, we will update 5 to 10 pendant items from our own design. We can develop research products with our customer too. We have our own motor factory to design motor and control quality. Our factory have total more than 5,000 square meters and 100 workers and 8 to 1,000 pieces per day of production capability. Honest and trustworthy and win-win. We hope that we can establish long-term business and friendship together in the future. We offer the best products and excellent service. Thanks for your attention.